Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you have to search for your friend and go to their profile. I am opening this profile. After opening your friend's profile, you'll find here message option. You just have to press on this. Now here you can see the option of message. Press here and type for your message. Now press on send. So this is how you can DM on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.